Welcome everyone to yet another session of Midweek Magic. I do see a couple of new faces as well today, so welcome everyone once again. Midweek Magic is an initiative which has been taken by Rapid Mile Trainings, and we have been doing these sessions completely free of cost for all of you for almost last 1 year now. Okay, our intention is to give some good content completely free of cost to all of you so that everybody can be benefited from these. We are a team of six trainers. Two of us are present here. We have Niharika Chaturvedi, who is an expert in law of attraction and also success principles. And we have Ms. Anila Lal Damodar, who is an expert in law of attraction and also trainer's trainer for us. Then we have Mr. Balram Talreja, who would be joining us soon and is an expert in yoga and EFT and Silva. Okay, then we have Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, who is an expert in the money management. And then we have Ongi Acharya, who is an expert in digital marketing. And today I'm pleased to welcome Mr. Kamruddin, who is a very experienced trainer as well as coach in his field and has written 8 books, and all of his 8 books have been published. And also, he is an international table tennis player. So proud to say that he has represented India in the Veterans World Cup Table Tennis Championship. So please join me for to welcome Mr. Kamruddin.
Welcome, sir.
Right. So the stage is yours, Mr. Kamruddin.
Good evening, everybody.
Hi.
Good evening,
I
sir.
am here to discuss today about importance of living in the present moment. We are lucky to have among us Dr. Anila Damodar, eminent doctor and a motivational trainer. She's an ophthalmologist. Mr. Balram Talreja, he is yoga expert and a great trainer. Om Gir, a great trainer. Sanjeev Sharma, a great trainer and financial wizard. Niharika, also a great trainer. So we are here to discuss about living in the present moment. How we live our lives. Generally, we have found we are living most of the time in the past and future instead of living in the present moment. जनरली क्या होता है कि जैसे हम यहाँ पे आज क्या सोच रहे हैं, पिछले टाइम में कैसे हमने वक्त पास किया वो सोचते हैं, हमारे पीछे के एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या रहे हैं उसके बारे में हम सोचते हैं, और फ्यूचर में हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं और क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं ये सोचते हैं. लेकिन जो इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम हमारा है वो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट है. इस प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में ही हम अच्छी तरीके से जिंदगी को जी सकते हैं. लाइफ एग्जिस्ट हियर इन दिस मोमेंट. हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में कैसे रह सकते हैं ये चीज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सेल्फ ग्रोथ के लिए भी जरूरी है कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहें. हाउ वी कैन कम इन द मोमेंट, मेडिटेट and relax in the moment, we are able to live in the present moment. So let us relax for the time being, comfortable. Inhale for the count of 5. Hold for the count of 3. And exhale till your lungs are empty. This way. और इसके अलावा क्या तरीका है कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रह सकते हैं. अफर्मेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कुछ ऐसे अफर्मेशंस हैं जो हमको खींचकर प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में लाते हैं. अटेंशन हियर एंड नाउ, बी प्रेजेंट इन दिस मोमेंट. अनदर affirmation is, this is the day which God has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Live इन द डे टाइप कंपार्टमेंट। ये अपनी आदत बनाइए कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहने की कोशिश करें और पिछला टाइम और आने वाले टाइम के बारे में ज्यादा न सोचें। सो लिव इन द डे टाइट कंपार्टमेंट, शट ऑफ योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, बी इन द मोमेंट, manifest your best, do your best. Serenity prayer is also very important for being in the present moment. God, grant me serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Thank you, God. I am alive, active, and joyful. I am making the best of this day. एक और अफर्मेशन है, आई एम हैप्पी नाउ इन दिस मोमेंट। हम कैसे प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आ सकते हैं? ब्रीदिंग, ब्रीदिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। रिलैक्स्ड ब्रीदिंग, इनहेल फॉर द काउंट ऑफ 5, 1 2 3 4 5, होल्ड फॉर द काउंट ऑफ 3, 1 2 3, then exhale till your lungs are empty. If you continue in this manner, you will find that you are relaxed and you are in the present moment. Body के अंदर रहना, being in the body is also very important. When you do these things, you will be in your body. Suppose आप रिलैक्स्ड हो गए और रिलैक्स होने के बाद इमेजिन करिए कि आप अपनी बॉडी को ऊपर से नीचे तक फील कर रहे हैं, फ्रॉम हेड टू टोस। रिलैक्स योर फीट, फील एनर्जी, फील इन योर फीट, देन रिलैक्स योर लेग्स। You may feel some tension initially, but as you practice, your legs will be relaxed, and then feel energy in both legs. Then upper legs, continuously you go on from head to toe. Keep relaxing your body from toe to head. So being in body is important to be present in the moment. You might be thinking about past, so many problems of past. You may have some guilt feeling about the person. In that case, you should try to forgive. Forgive him. Be sorry for him. Say sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When you do this thing, you will forgive that person, and you will not be thinking about the past. जब हम प्रेजेंट में नहीं होते हैं तो या तो फ्यूचर में होते हैं या तो पास्ट में होते हैं। तो हम या तो प्रेजेंट में रह सकते हैं, या तो पास्ट में रह सकते हैं, या तो फ्यूचर में रह सकते हैं। तीनों जगह एक साथ नहीं रह सकते हैं। तो जनरली क्या होता है कि जब हम पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं तो ज्यादातर जो हमारे साथ घटित हुआ, कुछ अच्छा, कुछ गलत, कुछ गिल्टी फीलिंग्स भी होती है हमारे बीच, हमारे माइंड के अंदर। तो इससे हम पास्ट में ज्यादा रहते हैं और प्रेजेंट में कम रह पाते हैं। जनरली आपने देखा होगा कि हम प्रेजेंट में न रह के पास्ट में ज्यादा होते हैं, और या तो फिर हम फ्यूचर में होते हैं। तो पास्ट में किस लिए होते हैं कि जो हमारे साथ घटित हुआ है पहले, कुछ अच्छा कुछ बुरा, उसके बारे में सोच रहे होते हैं और रहने की कोशिश करते हैं पास्ट में। लेकिन लाइफ एग्जिस्ट इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट। यू कैन लिव इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट if you don't remain most of the time in past and future। फ्यूचर में हम किस लिए जाते हैं? फ्यूचर में हम ज्यादातर प्लानिंग के लिए जाते हैं। पॉजिटिव चीज तो ये है कि हम प्लानिंग के लिए जाते हैं, और वरीज भी जो है रिलेटेड होती हैं फ्यूचर से। तो जब हम फ्यूचर के बारे में ज्यादा सोचते हैं तो हम वरी करते हैं या प्लानिंग करते हैं। प्लानिंग के लिए ज्यादा टाइम नहीं चाहिए होता है। प्लानिंग के लिए जाइए, प्लान करिए, उसके बाद फौरन वापस आइए, बिकॉज योर ड्वेलिंग प्लेस इज इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट ओनली। So you can visit your past for analyzing guilt. You can visit future for planning. But immediately when the work is done, you should come back in the present moment. So present moment is the time where our life exists. We should be present in the moment most of the time. और कैसे हम प्रेजेंट रह सकते हैं? ग्रेटिट्यूड जर्नल। जब हम ग्रेटिट्यूड जर्नल लिखते हैं तो हम ब्लेसिंग्स के बारे में सोचते हैं। हम किन चीजों के लिए गॉड के लिए थैंकफुल हैं, उस चीज के बारे में लिखते हैं। और ब्लेसिंग्स, अगर जस्ट लुक अराउंड यू विल सी देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू आर ब्लेस्ड विद। तो जब हम ब्लेसिंग्स के बारे में सोचते हैं और ग्रेटिट्यूड के बारे में सोचते हैं, तब ऐसा महसूस करते हैं कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में हैं। तो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? मेडिटेशन, बीइंग इन द बॉडी, अफर्मेशंस, फॉरगिवनेस, एंड यस वरीज। वरीज जैसे कि अभी मैंने बताया कि फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड होती है। तो वरी के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वरी नेवर हेल्प्स, solution helps. So we should try to find the solutions. So we should analyze the worries, find out what is the cause of worry and what are the solutions, and then find out the best solution. And when you get best solution, try to implement it. Action lies in the present moment. If you implement the solutions, you are neither in past nor in future. You are in the present moment. So present moment is important. We should try to be present all the time in the moment. We can, however, visit past, we can visit future, but most of the time we have to remain in the present moment, because life exists here. If we live in the past and future, our energies are wasted. And if we are living in the present moment, we focus our energies in the present moment, and then we live an effective life and we save a lot of energy. So living in the present moment is very important because life exists here. First, relax with deep breathing, mindfulness meditation. Bring your attention back in the moment. Relax. Take few breaths slowly. Go through your whole body. And try to focus your energy in the present moment. As I told you, inhale, exhale, and hold. Inhale for the count of 5, then hold for the count of 3, and then exhale till your lungs are empty. Observing body is also very important to be in the present moment. Observe your body from inside. Observe as a third person. Watch what is going on in your body. When you do it, you are present in the moment. There is another way to bring your attention back in the moment. You should try to be present, but all the time, this is not possible. So what should we do? We should try to remain how? Observe what you are smelling. This is living in the present moment. Observe which type of sounds are coming to your ears. Try to differentiate different type of sounds. Observe 5 different type of sounds, for example. So be in body and be present in the moment this way. When you are relaxed, meditation, as you know, is very important for being present in the moment, because when you are relaxed, your senses, your body, your mind, everything responds clearly. So inhale, exhale, be present, relax. This way you can come in the moment and be present in the moment. Another thing you can do is inhale love, inhale joy, happiness, faith, and exhale stress, grudge, resentment, hate, such type of negative qualities. So if you practice this way, you will be present in the moment, you will be in control. And control, there is another thing you should keep in mind while controlling your mind. When you are relaxed, you should try to clear mind of all negative things and bring in positive mind. When you are relaxed, try to be in a low thought stage. Do not allow for some time any idea to come into your mind. Just observe it. Just watch it. Don't try to hold it very tight, but you should be aware and focused. When idea enters in your mind, let it come and let it go out. Just be relaxed. Keep on relaxing. Keep on taking deep breaths. When your body and mind are relaxed, you are in control. When you are in control, you can monitor your thoughts. What type of thought you allow will be in your hand. What you feel, what you think, and what you do is always in your hand, because this is your life. You have to live your life in your own terms. So when your mind and thoughts are under control, then you should monitor your thoughts in such a manner that you allow only present moment thoughts. Shut off your future and shut off your past. So this way, if you do, you will be able to monitor your thoughts and you can control. So you can live in only in the present moment. So there is no use going most of the time to the past and future. Yes, you have to visit. The past is also important because your identity is there. And there are so many good things you like to remember. You relish your past. So visiting is all right. You should go there, but you should not remain there. You should come back immediately when your work is done. When you are drifting to future, don't mind. Just control your thoughts and bring your thinking back in the present moment, solving your worries, doing your plannings, and come in the moment. Living in the moment is very important. Living in the daytime compartment is also important. When you are living in the day, you are living in the present moment. So live in the daytime compartment, shutting off from past and future. You can say, this is the day which God has made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. Observe as a third person what is happening. Observe your thoughts, observe your body functions. Most of the things try to observe. When you are in your body, you are present in the moment. So take lesson from past, plan for future, but be present now in this moment because life exists here. उर्दू में वर्ड है हाल. हाल का मतलब होता है प्रेजेंट. Pleasant memories, relish them. Past memories, relishing is not a bad thing. But the only thing you have to remember is that you have to visit. You don't have to live in the past. You don't have to live in the future, but you can visit there. And then you have to come back in the present moment. So analyzing past behavior, analyzing your future activity, future thinking, you can easily control. And some guilts may relate to persons. So guilt is bad because it is in the past. And you do not get benefit from guilt unless you analyze it properly and you take corrective action for it. So analyze your guilts and take corrective action for it, and then come in the present moment. So if it relates to a person, you have to be free from that hatred. For this, you have to forgive the person. Say, I forgive you. Ask for his forgiveness and forgive yourself also. So present moment is very important. We should try to live most of the time in the present moment. I have a video also I prepared yesterday and posted it on the YouTube. You may like to watch it for some time.
First, relax and breathe and practice mindfulness meditation. Go through your body, beginning from toes. Relax every part of your body, starting from toes to head. Inhale for the count of 5. Hold for the count of 3. And then exhale till your lungs are empty. Observe as a third person what is going on in your body. And when you are observing your body from inside, you are present in the moment. And when you are present in the moment, you are living a life. Because life exists in the present moment. Most of the time, we are worried about future. When you are relaxed, inhale love, joy, happiness, kindness, and exhale stress, anger, fear, and such type of negative emotions. Do not hinder them. Just observe how the thoughts are coming to your mind and leaving. Don't be obsessed with any thought. Keep your body relaxed. Keep your attention in your body. Bring your attention back to the present moment. And if you realize that your attention is drifting, bring your attention back in the present moment. When you are relaxed and your body is responding properly, then you should practice bringing your thought in the present moment. Take lesson from past, plan for future, but make your presence in the present moment only, because life exists here. Make your dwelling place in the present. Practice living in the present moment, shutting off from past and future. You may take lesson from past, you can plan for future, but most of the times you should try to live in the present moment. Repeat in your mind, this is the day which God has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. You may visit past for analyzing your guilt, for taking corrective action for those guilts. But don't remain there. As soon as you have visited past and analyzed your guilts, you should come back to the present moment. Make your dwelling place in the present moment, and life exists here. You should also learn how your friends and you have survived in the past and how you have coped with the problems of the past. But as soon as that work is done, come back to the present moment, because life exists here. If you analyze guilt of past and your past behavior, you will learn so many things. Analysis will help you see your guilt in a proper perspective, and you will be able to take benefit out of it. Find out what went wrong. If you are worried or you are feeling guilty about a person, you may forgive him. You may forgive yourself also. and you can seek forgiveness from others. There are a few affirmations which will help you remain in the present moment. One affirmation is, thank you God, you woke me alive, active and joyful, and I am making the best of this day. Attention here and now. This is also a very good affirmation for being in the present. Attention here and now. Be present in this moment. Serenity prayer is also very helpful. God grant me serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. There is another affirmation. For every ailment under the sun, there is a remedy or there is none. If there is one, try to find it, and if there is none, do not mind it. Most of pain relates to past. If you are present in the moment, the pain of past will be reduced or eliminated. If you cannot take action now, accept it and put it on the back burner, and later on you can take it up when the time is appropriate. We waste a lot of energy on worrying and thinking about future. You can save a lot of energy by living in the day-tight compartment and being only in the present moment. Life exists in this moment. Visit future for planning only. Don't overstay there. As soon as the planning is done, you should come back in the present moment. Make your dwelling place in the present moment, because life exists here. Thank you for watching this and my other videos. Please press bell icon so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.
We come to the end of the video.
Thank you. कोई अगर आप क्वेश्चन करना चाहें तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
Right. Thank you very much for the wonderful session, Mr. Kamruddin. In fact, it was quite a bit of learning for me as well, especially the breathing part where we breathe in love and breathe out hatred. So that, I think, would resolve a lot of issues of guilt and anger among us. We are open to question and answer now. So you can feel free to ask if you have any questions related to this topic.
Sir, can I have a question? This is Niharika. Hi, sir.
Please, Niharika, go ahead.
Thank you so much for this exceptional session. Thank you so much. A lot of learning for me as well. Sir, I am asking question on behalf of one of my students who I was having a session with today itself. And he said that he's going through some kind of grief, right? He said that he lost both his parents to COVID. And now he keeps on thinking about it and how he could have changed the circumstance and everything. And he wanted to understand how can I, get rid of that guilt of, that grief that he had in his past as a few months back. So anything, any suggestion from your end on how to cut off cords from the past griefs like that? Right now the situation is like that, right? And most of the people have this kind of thing, and they keep on thinking, they keep on grieving, and they staying in the moment becomes very difficult for them. So any suggestions from your end, sir, for such cases?
सेरेनिटी प्रेयर जो है,
जी.
God grant me serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. For
Wow.
every ailment under the sun, there is a remedy, or there is none. If there is one, try to find it. If there is none, do not mind it. बहुत सी चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, उस केस में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? देखिए, हम जैसे कि सेरेनिटी प्रेयर में बताया गया है कि हम उसके लिए यही कर सकते हैं कि गॉड से हम सलेस के लिए, एक पीस के लिए हम प्रेयर करें, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। अगर उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है, अगर सोल्यूशन है तो उसमें हम जितना बेस्ट कर सकते हैं करेंगे। अब देखिए, जिस तरह से कोविड की सिचुएशन सब जगह देखने में आई है, किस तरह से प्रॉब्लम आई है, लेकिन हम क्या कर सकते हैं? देखिए, कितने लोग इसमें सफर कर चुके हैं जिनको इतनी परेशानियां रही और उनके पास किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है, वो कुछ भी खर्च करने को तैयार है। ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबल नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन खरीदने का मतलब क्या है, जब वो अवेलेबल ही नहीं होगा। तो इसी तरह से बहुत सी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हम, अब ये कोविड के मामले में तो हम बहुत सी चीजों के बारे में अभी भी नहीं जानते हैं। तो इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बस यही कर सकते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे का सांत्वना दें, गॉड से प्रेयर करें, और कोशिश करें। जो हो रही हैं कोशिशें की जा रही हैं, और नहीं जो हो सकता है, जैसे कि सेरेनिटी प्रेयर में है, एक्सेप्ट बट वी कैन नॉट चेंज।
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Anil, I would like to add to this.
Actually, I think Sir has explained it very beautifully. Yes, there are so many things that are not in our control, isn't it? And yet to be able to accept it and move on is basically what we can do in this moment, really. To accept whatever it is that you have been given and to make the most of it as we go forward. Really, that's all we can do and should do. But it is a very powerful thing to live in this moment, truly. And Sir has explained it so beautifully and given us tips also to bring ourselves, body, mind, and spirit to this moment and make the most of it, because all possibilities for us exist right here. Life exists here. So beautifully expressed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. In fact, I also feel that when it comes to our loved ones and our loved ones are going through some pain, some problem, we try our best to resolve that issue. We try our best to give them the best possible solution or the best possible treatment if they have to go through certain hospitalization or, let's say, the COVID situation. So the pain happens when we are thinking about the past and we're thinking that I did not do sufficient or I did not do enough. There's a guilt feeling. But I have realized, looking at my past also, when it comes to our parents, when it comes to our loved ones, we actually do our best. There's actually nothing better we could have done. And that is something which we should realize, we should understand that so these things are not in our hand. The thing which is in our hand is to try our best. And every child of every parent does try their best to save their parents. When it comes to, let's say, if something goes wrong with your children, you try your best to save them. So we give our best. And after we give our best, certain things are really not in our hands.
Thank you.
Thank you. So any other questions? Thank you, Niharika.
एक मेरा शेर है, मंजिले मकसूद न हो नजर अंदाज, बढ़ते रहो मुसलसल ना थमे परवाज, तुम अहले हिम्मत हो ना कि अहले तकदीर, इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो खुदा अता कर दे।
Wow.
Wow.
Very
And would you like to explain it as well for the benefit of others, if we can translate in English or Hindi?
ये तो सीधा सीधा लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है। If you passionately desire anything, you will get. Universe will contrive to make it happen to you. So इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि खुदा अता कर दे। Desire so passionately that you get it. God bestows it on you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think we should come to an end of the session. So thank you very much, Mr. Kamruddin, for the wonderful session. I would request all of you to unmute yourself and give a round of applause to Mr. Kamruddin. Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. So we come to the end of the session. Last moment, if you have any questions, we can address that. Otherwise, we can log off.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all for being here.